Who is your favorite content creator?
Wow. So if I talk about a small business, I don't know whether they're a small business anymore, but there's one brand that I really look up to, and that is Suta.
Do you watch YouTube, Netflix?
So ऐसा नहीं कि मैं workaholic हूँ,
Oh,
काम ही
अच्छा.
करती रहती हूँ.
तो YouTube सबसे ज़्यादा कौन पसंद है YouTube पे?
So YouTube पे भी मैं काफी कुछ Instagram के बारे में देखती रहती हूँ.
अच्छा, okay.
But only about YouTube or like any other platform?
Any other platform.
So I love a lot. I like watching a lot of series and movies on Netflix.
हाँ.
My regular basis.
Which is your favorite series?
So right now I love This Is Us.
Okay. It is on?
It's on Hotstar.
Okay. One entrepreneur you admire the most?
Oh my god. Wait, just give me a second, no? So if I talk about a small business owner, it has to be Maddie Green.
Okay.
She is based out in Canada, I suppose. She's a small business owner, and I really appreciate and admire her entrepreneurial journey.
Okay. One personality change after becoming an entrepreneur?
I think I've developed a little bit of patience.
One Indian startup that amazed you the most?
There are a couple of them, but for now I would say Nykaa is one startup that amused me a lot.
Netflix and binge in weekends or travel somewhere?
Travel somewhere.
Okay. Which is the most beautiful place you traveled in your life?
For me, it is always the Himalayas.
Okay.
So one of my most favorite places has to be, there's this place called Kalpa,
Okay.
Which is in Himachal Pradesh.
One beautiful memory after becoming an entrepreneur?
I'm not being diplomatic again, but each day is.
What's your guilty pleasure?
Guilty pleasure is food. Always has been food.
But in food what?
Nutella.
Okay. What percentage of money you save from your earnings?
I don't have a percentage, but I have an SIP that
Okay.
I invest in on month-to-month basis.
Okay.
So that will be about 15 to 20% of my.
Okay. That's a pretty good. What you enjoy the most as an entrepreneur?
I love the hustle.
Right.
Each day, every day.
Right. What you are grateful about in your life right now?
About Maisha. Always.
What's your favorite success moment?
So there was, we did a Black Friday campaign pretty recently, and I had this target that we want to reach 100 orders a day. For quite a long time we couldn't really reach there, and on Black Friday it so happened that we crossed 222 orders in a single day.
Oh wow.
And that for me I think was one of the it was just mind blowing.
If you are going to on the Shark Tank, which shark do you want के आप में investment लगाए?
I personally love Aman and Vineeta. I just love them.
क्यों?
With Aman and Vineeta, what I feel is, especially with Vineeta, I feel that she might connect with the brand. She might understand where we come from, and she also might understand the vision. So most definitely her. And with Aman, what I feel is he brings a lot to the table. What I feel is he's not brutally honest, but he is somebody who is very to the point when it comes to giving giving away with the funding or not giving away, or just being honest with what the brand is and how the brand can grow further. So I think somebody who is very very practical about whether we can scale this business or not, and somebody is going to show us the mirror, is somebody who we might need on the board. Yes.
Next question is, you are crediting like so much of your journey to your father and your husband. What are those qualities that you want to steal from them?
So the one thing that comes into my mind when I think about my father is the kind of patience that he has when he works, and his experience. And one more thing, his risk-taking ability. Like I don't have that. And for my husband, the constant eagerness of doing better.